Hi guys, this is Mike and we're here today with the Asus G74SX 3D. As you probably know, this one is not yet available on the market. What you have here is an early review unit. It's pretty much the same as the one you're going to be to find in stores in July, which is like in a month or so. And however, specs might different on the final product, and also performances might be better for that one as well as as new drivers get out. Still, this we're going to take a quick look at the G74SX, like I said, and first let's talk about the exterior. This is a very big device. It's a 17.3-inch gaming laptop. It's pretty thick, pretty heavy. You won't be able to carry it around. This is more like a desktop replacement, a gaming desktop replacement you're going to use on your desk alone. We're going to take a quick look at some of its aspects. First of all, let's take a quick look at the keyboard. You'll notice that design is changed from the previous generation, from the G74. Right now this part, palm rest, is made from some rubberized plastic. Feels very nice actually, quite solid and quite comfortable. You get here a huge trackpad. You can see that it is. I'm going to zoom in here so you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so here it is. The trackpad is very big. You have separated click buttons and they are very easy to press. They are silent, as you can see. The trackpad supports multi-gestures and it's quite responsive. Everything works quite nice. The keyboard now comes with a redesigned layout. As you can see now, there are two parts of this keyboard separated by the arrow keys right now, which are now better emphasized because these are keys you're going to use a lot when playing. And the standard keyboard is here on the left with the numpad keys here on the right, separated by this narrow space. All the area around the keys is made from aluminum. There's some dark purple aluminum, and this part above houses the speakers and is made from textured plastic. Looks very nice. And you have here on top two buttons. This one is for powering the device and this one is for launching Asus Quick Express. Also here are a couple of status LEDs for caps lock and num lock and stuff like this, while the other status LEDs are right here down on the left side of the palm rest. You will notice that this space here, it's actually quite nice, but also the device will get a little bit hot here because beneath this particular space is the new graphic chip, the NVIDIA GTX 560M, and so this part here will get a little bit hot. So I'm not sure if this is just a redesign meant to improve the keyboard, or it was designed like this so this area would allow a better cooling for the keyboard as well. Okay, on top you have the big display. Let's take a quick look at display. As you can see here, it's a 17.3-inch display. Like I said, it comes with a matte non-glossy finish. It's very nice. Full HD resolution, 1920 by 1080p pixels, and it's a 3D display as well. Supports 130 Hz refresh rate. So it's actually quite nice. So this one comes as well with NVIDIA 3D Vision. So you have 3D glasses included with NVIDIA 3D Vision technology, and everything will work quite nice on this one. You will be able to see 3D movies and play 3D games and stuff like this. Let's take a quick look at the exterior as well. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, so here is the exterior. It's the same rubbery finish you also find on the palm rest, and you have the Asus Republic of Gaming logo here on the hood. However, oh man, this is heavy. It's very heavy actually. You will notice that the hood is slightly redesigned. First of all, it is not as thick as it was before, and second of all, the back part was redesigned, as you can see here. Still with these aggressive cooling vents here, just that they were redrawn, and all the hot air is gets out from here, and this allows the device to be kept cool while running. Okay, let's take a quick look at the sides. Like I said, this one is heavy and is quite big. I'm trying to show you the ports here. You get SD card reader here, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, VGA, HDMI, LAN adapter, and DC in here. On the front there's actually nothing, and on this other side what you actually have is the Kensington lock, another 2 USB ports, Blu-ray unit, and headphone and microphone. You can see they're nicely placed here, so you can get your headsets when playing. Also, let's now take a quick look at the bottom of this device. You can see you have two big panels, and let's see what you get beneath each of them. Here, this is the battery, and you have 52 milliamp hour, 74 watt hour battery. You can see it is placed here, so fairly easy to access it. Okay, let's try and put it back. So this was the battery, and in this other part, this allows you quick access to hardware. I'm going to open it and we'll take a quick look. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the hardware inside this one. Like you see, you have this panel. You have to unscrew this little screw here. It's very easy to access. You have this panel, and once you remove it, here's what you get inside. Let's zoom in a little bit so you'll be able to see what you get. First of all, you have two hard drives. Right now we have two standard hard drive installed, but you can easily put on an SSD for the storage, for the operating system, and a bigger 7200 RPM drive for storing your actual information. And what you also have here are, let's see if we can zoom in even more, you have 4 separated memory modules. Right now we have 16 GB of RAM installed in here. You see four 4 GB slots, and you can see how easy it is to access memory and to install everything on it. And you probably know that Sandy Bridge now supports quad channel memory, so this is a nice addition to have on a gaming laptop right now. Okay, and getting things back, it's actually quite easy. You have to put this panel back and press it gently. Okay, let's see, like this. So it's actually quite nice and then quite easy, and then you have to screw this big screw back, and everything is back the way it should. And like you saw, there are no cooling vents on the bottom, because all the cooling is done through this big vent on the back. Like I said, this one, the very big vent on the back. Okay, so overall the device looks very nice. It's very solid. Of course, like I said, it is heavy. I'm not really sure how much it weighs, but it probably weighs around 8, 9 pounds, 10 pounds, something like this. You will get information about this on the site when we're going to publish the review there. Okay, so this is pretty much all with the exterior. Now we're going to power the device. I'm going to talk a little bit about hardware and also about the screen of this laptop.